If you're someone that has MS, sometimes you just need that little extra push to help get you through.
We could make tomorrow better than yesterday.
MS Focus Emergency Assistance Grant. If someone with multiple sclerosis is experiencing unforeseen financial hardships, relief awaits in our emergency assistance program.
If someone needs help with their rent or an electricity bill or any type of utility bill, even phones that's about to be disconnected or they're about to be evicted, we can help one-time assistance pay for that.
This grant serves those in the MS community who are in danger of eviction, losing a utility, experiencing a disaster, and more.
You can't help anybody if you don't know what they're going through. It's not a one-size-fits-all disease. Our goal is to be there for the community with programs that people need to improve their quality of life, to navigate daily activities.
Through the Emergency Assistance Grant, the Foundation aims to provide support to those in need during difficult times. Our sole focus at the Foundation is providing for the critical needs of people with MS and their families.
We could make tomorrow better than yesterday.
A cure may come tomorrow, but people with MS need us today.
We can face struggles together.
For more information about our services, please visit msfocus.org/gethelp or call 888-MS-FOCUS.
We could make tomorrow better than yesterday.
Let's find better days.